Now, in addition to viewing our widgets on the home screen, we can also view them in the Today view. The Today view is exclusively for widgets. Now, if you like what you see here, stick around to the end. I'll tell you a little bit more about myself and how you can help support my efforts in creating these videos. All right, let's take a look at the Today view on the iPad. Let's go over to my iPad. Now, the Today view is located to the left of your first home screen page. So if we look here at my home screens, I'm on the first home screen page. So now what I need to do is I need to swipe over to the right to get to my Today view. So let's go ahead and swipe. So now we're looking at my Today view, and these are all widgets. So again, what we have to do is we have to be to our first home screen and swipe to the right one more time. So if I'm on my second home screen, I swipe to get to the first, and then I swipe again, I'm looking at my Today view. So now that we know where this Today view is or how to access it, how can we modify it? How can we add our own widgets in here? Well, basically what we need to do is we need to get it into that jiggly mode where all of our icons jiggle. In this case here, we want to make sure that these widgets jiggle. And what I do is I long press on a widget until they start jiggling. And then from there, what I'm able to do is drag them around to move them. So I could put news up towards the top. I can put my photo up at the top. Basically just drag them to move them around. If I want to remove one, I tap on the minus here and it'll remove that widget. I confirm that I want to remove it and it'll remove it. I don't want to remove it. If you want to add new widgets, then what you do is you tap on the plus here in the upper left-hand corner, and then from there, we're going to get our list of widgets. And then all I need to do is just select which widget I want. So let's just go with the clock. I drag this out and I place it where I want. So that's how we can rearrange them as well as remove them and add new widgets. Now, in addition to that, we can also resize them. You're going to see that when it's in the jiggly mode, we have this little handle here in the lower right-hand corner of our widgets. Now, this is not going to show on all the widgets. You're going to see that the clock widget here doesn't have one. So we can't resize all of our widgets. But if we can resize a widget, all we have to do is just take that handle there and drag it. So I'm going to make this one larger. I drag it down, and we can see we made it larger. I want to make it smaller. I drag it, and I can make it smaller. So we just drag that around to resize it. Now, let's say I wanted to edit a widget. How can I edit a widget? Well, what we need to do is we need to get outside of that jiggly mode. So I'm just going to tap in this area here. And what it's going to do is it's going to stop that jiggly mode. Now I'm still in the Today view. Let's say I wanted this calendar widget to show me events from a specific calendar. How can I do that? How do I edit this widget? Well, basically what you need to do is you need to long press on it when it is not in that jiggly mode. And then from here, what you're going to be able to do is edit the widget. I tap on that, and then I have all of my options. Right now it is mirroring my calendar app. I don't want to do that. I want to select which calendar it shows. I deselect that, and then from here, I select which calendars I want it to show. So I tap on that, and then from here, I'm able to select which calendars. So that's how we can edit our widgets. When you're done, you just tap on the check mark, and then you tap outside, and any changes are going to be applied. So that is our Today view on the iPad. Basically, we just go to our first home screen and we swipe over to the right. From there, we're going to be able to view various widgets. We can add widgets, remove them, we can reorganize them, and then we can also edit what the widget shows. Again, to access this, you just swipe over to the right from the first home screen. So that is how we work with our Today view on the iPad. Now, if you found this video helpful, what you may want to do is like the video. You can subscribe to my channel. You can share it with your friends and family. In addition to that, I also have a couple of other options. I have danstutorials.com, which is a membership-based site. Not only does it include more videos, but it has an AI assistant modeled after an Apple Genius. Now, it is a subscription-based site. If you don't like subscriptions, what you can do is you can go over to Dan's Online Courses. This is a course-based site. So basically what I do is I group all of my videos together into a course. It is by device. As of this recording, I have one course on there for the iPhone, but I plan on adding one for the iPad, which will include this video here, as well as several others, as well as one for the Mac at a later date. These are a single purchase, a one-time purchase, and then from there you have access to all the videos within that course. Either way, when you purchase a subscription or purchase a course, you're helping a small business. It is just me in a corner office of my house. I'm not part of some large organization. So when you do become a member or purchase a course, you are directly supporting my efforts in creating these videos. Check out danstutorials.com or dansonlinecourses.com for more information, and thanks for watching.